YouTube channel. So for today's video, may panibagong site naman tayong pagkakitaan. Ito ang tourgames.cc. So paano nga ba tayo makapag-sign up or register dito? Ilagay lang ang ating mobile number and then OTP na magsasend dito sa ating cellphone number and then password and then yung confirm password natin guys. So once na nakapag-fill up na kayo guys, click nyo lang itong sign up. So yun guys, once na nakapag-register or sign up na kayo, meron tayong registration. Pag once na registration success na siya guys, may ma-receive tayong 20 pesos game currency. So kailangan muna natin i-download yung ating app. So click lang itong download. So yun guys, once na nakapag-download tayo, hintay lang natin mag-update yung ating apps. And then yun nga guys, may nakalagay dito na Rational Entertainment Fair Play Fair Online Entertainment Platform. So hintay lang natin siya guys mag-loading. So yun nga guys, nilalagin lang natin yung ating account dito. So ilalagay lang natin yung ating account number and then yung ating password. So once na-fill up natin siya guys, click lang natin itong sure. So yun nga guys, once na nakapag-login tayo, meron pa notice dito sa atin si Tor Games na click activity in the upper right corner, find the lock code, enter 220325311420 to receive 2 gold coins. After picking it up, go to the warehouse to find it. Have you learned that? Now click the join button on the left to join the Epic group. The group will send lucky codes from time to time. So 4 players, first register to get 20 pesos, and then second is free 50 for the first charge, and then third, complete daily task to get 100 to 500 pesos, and then number 4, BAP players can get 10 to 2,560 pesos cashback every day, and then 5th, send hundreds of lucky codes every day, and then 6, players can become the dealer in the game. What are you waiting for? Top up and start playing. So yun nga guys, so meron tayo ditong laro na ito nga yung ating laro sa ating Tor Games. Meron tayo ditong Dragon vs Tiger, 100 of Cattle, Push Macho, Crazy Fishing, Red Black War, Baccarat, Roulette, and Fruit Machine. So paano nga ba makapag-cash in o deposit dito sa ating game app na Tor Games? So yun nga guys, so meron tayo dito mga cash in, cash out, warehouse, service at live. So click natin itong cash in para makapag-deposit dito sa ating app or games. So dito lang siya guys, click nyo lang itong cash in. And then dito meron ditong proportion 1 peso to 1 gold coin. So yung 1 peso is equal to 1 gold coin. So after the cash in is deposited, if the gold coins do not arrive, please contact customer service. So first cash in 100 plus 10 coins, so 10 gold coin. And then first cash in 200 plus 50 coins. So yun nga guys, may additional siya. So once na nakapag cash in kayo, so yun nga guys, meron tayo dito 100 plus 10, 200 plus 50, 500 plus 50, 1,000 plus 50, 2,000 plus 50, 5,000 plus 50, and then 10,000 plus 50, and then 20,000 first pay plus 50. So guys, paano nga naman tayo mag-cash out dito sa ating Tor Games na app? So click lang natin itong ating cash out. So nga guys, once na click natin yung cash out, meron dito yung current amount of 20, and then i-enter nyo lang yung inyong amount, this your amount, and then yung inyong GCash. And then you can only cash out twice a day, and the cash out time is from 12 to 22 hour every day. And then cash out amount is 300 to 5,000 pesos, and then meron siyang 2% handling fee. And then after the cash out goes out, make sure that the account is not less than 100 gold coins. So dapat pinakamababa is yung 100 gold coins, pataas na siya guys, para makapag-cash out kayo dito sa ating Tor Games app. And then player must have cash in before allowing cash out. So once na fill upan nyo na to, at kung gusto nyo na mag-cash out, click nyo lang itong sure. So nga guys, tumungo naman tayo kung paano naman maging agent dito sa ating Tor Games app. So click lang natin itong ating agent. So guys, now we have here the valid player betting commission chart. So we have here the agency model, agency details, agency commission, and then agency salary. So ito muna tayo sa ating agency model. So all valid A player bet 0.8% to 1.2%, and then all valid B players bet 0.3% get 0.7%, and then all valid C player bet 0.1% to 0.5%. So yun guys, no, meron din tayo dito na new valid A player register 24 to 36 pesos. And then new valid player B players register 9 to 21 pesos. And then new valid C register 3 to 15 pesos. So the higher the level of agencies, the higher the percentage of commission. Learn more, view agent details. So, and we have here the all valid A players cash in 0.8% to 1.2%, and all valid B players cash in 0.3% to 0.7%, and then all valid C players cash in 0.1% to 0.5%. So yun nga guys, makukuha ng ating mga player na nag-cash in. So magtungo naman tayo sa ating agency details. So once na nakatungo tayo sa agency details, we have here the grade, level 0 agent, valid A player 0 to 4, no commission, and then note, valid players refer to players whose valid bet reached 200 pesos. So we have here the level 1 agent. There are more than 5 valid A players, and the total recharge of all A players cash in 1,000. And then we have here the player type. We have here the A, B, and C. And then andito ang ating betting commission na sa A, we have here the 0.8%, and yung valid player registration is 24 pesos, and the cash in commission is 0.8%. So sa player B, we have here the betting commission is 0.3%, and then the new valid player registration is 9 pesos, and then the cash in commission is 0.3%, and then the player C, type C, betting commission is 0.1%, and the new valid player's registration is 3 pesos. And then the cash in commission is 0.1%. So valid players reverse the players whose valid bet reached 200 pesos. And then the grade level 2 agent, there are more than 100 valid A players, and the total recharge of all A players cash in 50,000. And then we have here the player type A and B and C, and then the betting commission is 0.9% for A, and then the new valid players registration is 27 pesos, and then the cash in commission is 0.10%, and then the player type B is betting commission is 0.4%, and then the new valid player registration is 12 pesos, and the cash in commission is 0.4%, and then the player type C is betting commission is 0.2%, and then the new valid player registration is 6 pesos, and then the cash in commission is 0.2%. And we have here the level 3 agent. There are more than 500 valid A players, and the total recharge of all A players cash in is 500,000. So we have here the player type A and B and C. So for player A, we have here the 1.0% for betting commission, and the new valid player registration is 30 pesos, and the cash in commission is 1.0%. And then the player B, betting commission is 0.5%, and then the new valid player registration is 15 pesos, and then the cash in commission is 0.5%. So, and then for letter C, player C, we have here the 0.3 betting commission, and the new valid player registration is 9 pesos, and the cash in commission is 0.3%. And we have here the level 4 agent. So there are more than 1,000 valid A players, and the total recharge of all A players cash in 1 million pesos. And then we have here the player type A and B and C, and for player A, we have here the betting commission is 1.1%, and then the new valid registration is 33 pesos, and the cash in commission is 1.1%. And for player B, we have here the betting commission is 0.6%, new valid player registration is 18 pesos, and then the cash in commission is 0.6%. And then for player C, betting commission is 0.4%, new valid player registration is 12 pesos, and then the cash in commission is 0.4%. And we have here the legend level 5 agent. There are more than 2,000 valid A players, and the total recharge of all A players cash in 5 million. And the player type is A, B, and C. So we have here the player A. The betting commission is 1.2%. And then the new valid player registration is 36 pesos. The cashing commission is 1.2%. For player B, your betting commission is 0.7%. And then the new valid player registration is 21 pesos. And then the cashing commission is 0.7%. And then for let player C, wherever the betting commission is 0.5%, new valid player registration is 15 pesos, and cashing commission is 0.5%. So yun nga guys, na magtungo naman tayo sa ating agency commission. So we have here the total commission and the current commission. Dito rin yung ating super game ID and then yung game ID, and then yung ating invitation link. So kailangan mo natin mag-invite, at para makapaglaro yung ating players, so kailangan niya makapag-bet ng 200 pesos para counted yung ating reward. So para maging valid player na yung ating ni-refer. So kakopy nyo lang itong invitation link, and then yung ipapaste nyo lang siya sa social media like Facebook, Instagram at Messenger para makapag-earn din kayo ng ating rewards. So magtungo tayo sa ating agency salary. So once na nakatungo tayo sa agency salary, we have here the agent basic payroll. We have here the agency level, daily salary, duration, and sum. So level 1 agent, daily salary is 20 pesos and duration is 3 days, and the sum is 60 pesos. And then level 2 agent, 100 pesos, and then the duration is 7 days, and the sum is 700. And level 3 agent, daily salary is 500, duration is 15 days, and then sum is 7,500. And then level 4 agent, 1,000 daily salary, duration is 30 days, and then sum is 30,000. And level 5 agent is 2,000 daily salary, and then the duration is 60 days. And then we have here the sum is 120,000. So after becoming an agent, you can contact the manager to get a fixed salary. The higher the agent level, the more salary. And then, for example, if you become a level 2 agent, you can receive 100 per day and 7 days, a total of 700. The agent salary is paid separate by the manager, which does not conflict with the agent commission. So yun nga guys, no, nakapaglaro na tayo at pwede rin tayo maging agent dito sa ating Tour Games app para makapag-earn din tayo ng ating mga reward dito sa ating app. So yun nga guys, no, naglaro na kayo, kikita pa kayo dito sa ating app. Sa pagiging agent nyo guys, kikita rin kayo. So guys, para makapaglaro din kayo, kailangan nyo i-click to, i-update nyo muna yung mga laro para makapag-start na kayo ng laro dito sa ating Tour Games app. So i-click nyo lang siya guys. Isa-isa lang siya guys, para hindi siya umagal yung signal. So yun guys, basta na-update nyo siya, na-upload nyo yung mga laro, ano pang hinihintay nyo, maglaro na at manalo dito sa ating Tour Games app. At para kumita rin, maging agent dito sa ating Tour Games app. So, mag-register na kayo, ilalagay ko sa aking description box. At huwag nyo kakalimutan mag-subscribe at i-click ang notification bell para